Hello dear students, this is me again, Tito Real, with another Art Digital. We are going to continue using GIMP, this incredible application, and the plugin GIMP to make this incredible morphing. As you can see, we are animating these makeup layers, these makeup pictures, to make a morphing, and we are using our tool, this application called GIMP, and we are using this filter, this plugin GIMP. So let's begin. Okay, we have opened our application GIMP. Here we are, and let's start opening our files. We're going to get our files as layers. Yes, as layers. Here I have my layers. I'm going to take the number 1, opened. I'm going to take the next as a layer, second, and I do the same with the others in the order, in the logical order. Okay, yes, in this, the next, the fourth. Okay, now let's take the fifth. This is a sequence, as you can see. This, and we're going to take the last one. This is the last one. Okie dokie. Now I have my layers over here. I'm going to make the morph effect. How do I do that? I'm going, as you already know that is, you take this plug in GIMP, and now I'm going to use this morph layers activity. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. I'm going to make 24 frames per second. This is going to stay like this. This the same, and this is okay. This is okay. Or a new image. New image. Let's make a new image as a result. And I say, okay. Is everything alright? Yes, everything is alright. Now it's processing. You're going to see that the application is going to create all the layers to see the morphing effect. Now it's ready. If I want to see the result, I have to go to filters, you know these already, animation and playback, to see what happens. Here is my playback in another display. It doesn't answer because it's building, so let's wait a while, and I'm going to see what I have as a result. Let's do play, and there it is. I have my morphing ready to go. Is it? That's it. As you can see, it's easy, quickly, and you can do many better things with your own creativity. So that's it. We have to export it. It's ready to go. So what I'm going to do is file, export. I put my name over here, Tito Morph Layer, and then I'm going to export this as a GIF. I take GIF over here, GIF image, that's what I need, and I do export, and now it's ready. Now it's ready. I have to. This is good. I have no problem with this. Yeah, everything is staying as it is. Export, and ready. I'm going to see the results. It's processing. Let's see what happens when it is finished. I have to go to downloads to see the result. Let's go to downloads and let's see our result. Let's see what happens. This is the result. Of course, my pictures don't have a big resolution, but the idea is that you learn how to do this and you can use HD pictures, so you're going to have better resolution. This is just an exercise, but you can work with better pictures with high resolution. If your computer is a strong computer, of course you can use better HD resolution in your picture. So this is what you are going to send me. Okay, you go to my page tutorial.pro/resources and you send me this, and then I'm going to give you your feedback. That's all for now. Thank you so much.